Courtroom. A billionaire businessman sits at the defense table. The judge stares down. Suddenly, Rasington. Lawyer, I'm sorry, Your Honor, but I'm no longer representing this man. He's guilty, and I don't waste my time on lost causes. Gasps fill the courtroom. The billionaire looks stunned. His own lawyer just humiliated him in front of everyone, creating when the richest man in the room was left to fight alone. Everyone thought it was over, until a quiet employee stood up and said 5 words that changed everything. I'll defend him, myself. Flashback. The media storms around a famous millionaire, Mr. Blake Donovan, falsely accused of corporate fraud. News anchor, millionaire tech mogul Blake Donovan is accused of scamming investors out of millions. Everyone thought he was a crook, even though Blake had secretly funded charities, rescued startups, and paid his workers double the minimum wage. No one wanted to hear the truth. And his lawyer? He was only there for the fame, not for justice. Inside the company, we meet Emily, a quiet, glasses-wearing legal assistant in her early 30s, brilliant, overlooked, and underpaid. Co-worker, you're still just a secretary, Emily. Why even bother learning the law? But what no one knew? Emily had studied law at night for 7 years. She passed the bar in secret. She memorized every case file. She knew the truth about Mr. Donovan's innocence and had the proof. Back in court, the judge demands opening arguments. Mr. Donovan looks to his lawyer. The lawyer smirks and quits. Lawyer, this man lied to everyone. I can't defend him. Gasps again. Reporters scribble. The judge sighs. Judge, if there is no counsel, this court will delay sentencing by 48 hours, unless... Emily stands up slowly. Emily, voice shaking. Your Honor, I'll defend him. I have evidence the court hasn't seen. Judge. And you are? Emily. Emily Hart, certified attorney. And I have documentation showing my client was set up. People laughed. Some called it a circus. But when Emily opened the folder, the laughter stopped. She presents contracts, emails, proof that a jealous rival forged transactions. Emily, confident. This man risked everything to save jobs. He didn't steal, he was robbed. Emily cross-examines the rival CEO, Mr. Langston. He sweats. She corners him with timestamps, logs, and emails. Emily, you said you were in Hong Kong, but this file shows you logged into the server from New York. Mr. Langston, that's impossible. Emily, not if you were framing someone, the same someone who gave you your first investment. Crowd murmurs. The judge pounds the gavel. Judge, order, order in the court. The verdict. Mr. Donovan watches, holding his breath. Judge, this court finds Mr. Donovan not guilty. The courtroom erupts. The rival is arrested for fraud. Mr. Donovan, to Emily, you saved my life. Why did you stand up for me? Emily, smiling. Because you believed in your people. Someone had to believe in you. Sometimes the loudest voices walk away when it matters most, but it only takes one quiet hero to bring the truth to light.